Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer. I hope you are well today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you will subscribe if you haven't already. Today I have for you an unboxing. So there's a little bit of a backstory. This is basically the third handbag that I've purchased in this style, okay? Yeah, it's crazy. The last video was a Coach unboxing. A handbag and some SLGs. I'll link that one above. So I found another bag that was like that one, but basically about $100 cheaper. Coach, both Coach. And then, so I purchased that one. And then I found one just like the second one that I purchased, but it was like $30 or $40 cheaper from Coach. So I decided to get that one because it's closer to the original one. Are you confused? I get it. So let me show you the two that I've already purchased, and then we'll get into the actual unboxing. The first one that I purchased, that you've probably seen maybe, is this one. So it's a color block, and it's the Charlie bucket bag. So it has the shoulder strap here, and then the crossbody strap here. You can see I haven't even taken the tags off it. I put my stuff in it, but I was just about it, and I hate paying a lot for a bag. And I mean, I got it for 30% off, so it was definitely a good buy when I bought it. But when I see that there are things that are similar that are cheaper, I always want to go that route because that's just how I am, I guess. So like I said, yeah, so it's the color block. And the second one that I got that I haven't shown yet here on the channel is this one. And this is the Coach, obviously. It's called the Town, T-O-W-N, bucket bag. And same thing, it has the shoulder strap and then also the crossbody strap. This one has gold hardware, as you can see. The Charlie this one has gunmetal. I think it's gunmetal. This is in the color, I think it's called Aurora Multi or something like that. So one thing that I had mentioned when I unboxed this that I liked about it is the fact that because it was color blocked, you were able to remember what side you'd put certain things on, right? Because there are no markings on this bag. So there's no logos or anything like that, which is, you know, something positive. Some people don't like to have logos, and so that's a positive for a lot of people. But this one, so the second one that I purchased, does have the Coach at the front, which both are totally fine with me actually. But this is good in the sense because it's a solid bag, you would know what is the front and what's the back. All right, so that was one thing that I liked about this one. Now, there is a little bit of a size difference on these, and I'll find them after I've recorded and put them down below for you so you'll know the size differences. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the actual unboxing. So here is the box. I've already opened it up. I just haven't peeked in there yet. Here's the bag. So it's all packaged up, and of course, you probably know if you've ordered from both the Coach retail and the Coach outlet, the packaging is definitely different. Okay, so there's a little bit of a mistake here. This bag is smaller than what I thought it was, unfortunately, because I love the color. But this is the Town bucket bag, but look how much larger you can see. Can you see those? Yeah, the two are. I don't remember looking at the size, or maybe looking at it but didn't realize that it was a different size than this one. This is still super cute. It's still called the Town. They didn't specify that it was any smaller or that one was any larger in the description or anything like that. Usually it'll have like a Town 21 or, you know, something like that. But this one did not. I hate to undo it because I don't know if I'm going to keep it. It's so cute though. maybe I should keep it. Do I need one this big? What do you think? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put all of my stuff in this one and show you what it looks like. And during that time, I will contemplate what I'm going to do with this one. So stay tuned. So I put everything in this bag, and I really do like this bag. Like I said before, there is nothing wrong with this bag. It's a nice black bag. If you like gold hardware, I do. I like silver, gold, gunmetal. I like whatever. Just depends on the bag. But it is a really nice bag. Now, one of the features, like I said, that I did like, because it's a double entry, because it has 2 compartments, actually it has 3 compartments, is that you have the Coach logo in the front, so you know what's in the front part versus what's in the back part. Now, this one, whereas the Charlie has the turn lock, twist lock closure, whatever that's called. This one has a button. So you can see there, both sides button, and it is, yes, it's magnetic. The inside of this one is a really pretty, I think that's oxblood. It's oxblood or brown. It might be brown. You know what I just noticed that's interesting about this? Is the Coach logo, so it's on the front here, but it's also on the inside, and it's turned the correct way. Almost like this would be a reversible tote, but it's not, because it has a zipper here in the middle. There would be nowhere for that to go. In here, let me go in and show you what I have. I'm going to try to open it. It's kind of hard to see with the way this one's made, but I have everything down in there, and I really just kind of threw it in there. I didn't stack it, or I wasn't purposeful about it. So in the front compartment here, I have my fashion file, and the little round Coach round coin case purse. You probably saw that on the video where I unboxed the Charlie bag. So I got that. And my Coach wallet, and I have some wet ones, which is really important right now. A pen. I'm just going to stick that back down in there. And then on the other side, my keys, so my Louis Vuitton clay. I'm going to stick that back on the other side. And then my Louis Vuitton Rosalie wallet. My sunglasses. These are Privé Revaux. I have a video on that. And my Tory Burch accordion, I think it's like the maybe it's the Robinson accordion card case, which I like. And a pair of cheap readers. Now, like I said, there is a middle compartment. I didn't put anything in there. But, you know, if you're worried about security or anything, you could put your wallet in this area, or probably what I would do with it is put like paper stuff, because sometimes, you know, I get receipts and coupons and things like that, so that's a good place to put them so that they're not just kind of floating all over your bag. That's what fits in there, and more, you know, really way more could fit in there, but that's all that I have. So it kind of makes me think maybe I don't need something this big. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna unwrap the pink bag. Okay, give me a minute. Holy moly, that took forever. Seriously. Oh my goodness, I wonder how long it takes them to wrap these things up, because that took me a good 5 minutes. Yeah, a good 5 minutes to get this thing unwrapped, and I still didn't get every single thing off it. Anyway, okay, so this is such a pretty pink. It's a little different, a lot different from the, I think maybe it's kind of blowing it out, my light there, but the Charlie, it's a lighter pink, and maybe a baby pink, not a bubblegum. This is more of a bubblegum pink, actually, and I feel like this has a lot of blue in it. What I just noticed that I really do like is the interior. It has that Coach going the same way. That's so interesting. It's like a dark blue interior, and I love blue and pink together. So this is the exact same, literally the exact same as this one. The leather is the same. The layout is the same. It has the zip center pocket. It's just smaller. and there are no other pockets or anything, which is the same as this. The interior is a smooth leather. I don't know if it's glove tanned. I'm not sure, but it's really smooth and nice. And same here on the bigger town. Now in the Charlie, the inside is, I think, cross grain leather, Saffiano leather. I'm not sure, but it has a texture to it, as you can hear. The more I look at the Charlie, I really do like this bag. I like the side detail here, but it is a really big bag. I mean, if you're going, the first thing that just popped into my head was jury duty. I don't know why. If you're going to something like that where you're going to be gone all day and you need to pack stuff, you know, for the day, like a Kindle or an iPad, snacks, water bottle, things like that, this would definitely be a good bag for you because it's definitely big enough for that. You know, for a scarf, whatever, it would fit in here. Not so much with these the smaller town bags, and definitely not so much with this one. This one is petite. It's small. I'm going to put my stuff in it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in just a second. So I got everything in here. It's kind of not really poking out. I can see it just a tad bit. My wallet is right there, but I didn't really stack anything on top of each other, which I could have, and that would have just given it a little bit more room up here. But one thing that I don't have in my bag that I do sometimes, you know, just a pouch to put lipsticks or whatever in. So if I had that, there would be definitely less room. But I'll just show you what it looks like here. There you go. So I'll pull everything out of it so you can see. So
in the front part here, I have my glasses. I did just stick them down like that because there was a perfect place for them there. And then our wallet in the first compartment, and then also in the first compartment, the Tory Burch card case. And in the other compartment, the back compartment here, I have the Louis Vuitton Rosalie, my glasses, my clay, and the Coach round coin, whatever it's called, round coin purse, and a pen.
The one thing that's different though about the Towns versus the Charlie is the middle compartment on the Town bags does not go all the way down. So I can stick my hand under it right there. So if you have anything loose, it's going to slide underneath. And that's what happened to the pen because I had that just in there loose and it was going from one place to the other. I'm not sure what to do. Okay, it's a cute little handle. If you have pretty small arms, this will fit here. I mean, it fits me, but I'm not gonna wear it like that because it's not comfortable. So this would definitely be just like an arm bag. So that's a drawback, I think, because if you're gonna have this, like, you want it to be a little more functional than for just your hand, or I do. That's what I want. What should I do? You need to let me know because I don't know what to do. I know that I'm going to return the Charlie, so that's a given. I'm going to return the Charlie when the Coach stores open. But I just don't know what to do about the pink versus the black Town bags. So let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video was like all over the place, so sorry about that. But I do appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're staying safe, and I will talk to you soon.